Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So many of you found my short video and requested a full length tutorial of this peacock drawing. So I hope you guys will watch this video till the end and follow step by step process with me, and let's make your drawing outstanding. So let's begin. So for this drawing, I used student oil pastels, sketchbook and tissues for blending. Then I chose all shades of blue including black to fill the base colors. Before shading and blending, just fill the colors, okay? And important tip, don't put too much pressure on paper before itself. If you put too much pressure on paper, you cannot blend easily. So here I used cotton bud to blend the small details. Be careful with your palm when you're coloring because oil pastels tend to smudge easily and it can get really messy. I almost done finishing the first layer of coloring. Time for the blending. I took a piece of tissue to blend the large part of areas. You can also use fingers for detail blending. I hope this process is helping you to understand how to work with oil pastels. And believe me, oil pastels are easy to work with and you can really enjoy the process. Trust me. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I'll do my best to make much more videos like this in my upcoming videos. this is the main part. I broke little bit of color and using the palette knife, I added little texture on the highlight parts. By doing that, you can make your drawing look more realistic. Finally, I'm completing this drawing, doing the touch-ups. And that's it. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video.